Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Clarita D. In today's video, if Leah let me finish, or I am doing a haul really quick because I'm trying to unpack all this to put it in the house. Put this box that I have back here is the organizer for the purse. I have a couple things that I bought from Target. Let me bring it up here. And they're right behind. I took a picture and put it in the thumbnail. If you can, I'm missing one. Gosh, okay, this right here next to my butt. Anyway, I'm gonna start with those. Then I'm gonna pass to the ones I have behind me. Yes, I have baby girl with me, and I'm not in the best state because I have two studio lights, one here, and I'm cleaning in the middle of cleaning my house, but my stuff got in finally, and I want to be able to put the new bed sheets in my bed and comforters and whatnot. So let me get to this because I'm babbling before my voice goes away. I pick up from Target this Dashing Diva. This is top coat. This is the color, but on top of that color I can put something shiny. They're supposed to look like that. That's the Dashing Diva color, and it's supposed to be I'm watching you. She's doing mischief behind the cameras, guys. Yes, be a good girl and go lay down. Yes, it might be 10, but she still acts like a puppy, guys. I'm sorry. I'm still coughing and stuff, but I'm gonna try to make this quick. The next thing that I pick up, and this is for my nails, and I got them for a minute now, and they keep breaking. So I'm gonna wait until they grow up a little bit, not up, grow a little bit, so I can use them. The next thing I'm gonna show you, Moroccan rose fragrance, and it smells straight up like roses, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And I already have the sugar scrub for this, and I said, why not pick this up together? Hydrating oil complex. This is Moroccan oil rose hip oil foaming wash gel. Yes, this is a body wash. Another one with oil gels, and this one is the spray. Plus I have already the sugar scrub. Phenomenal. What can I say? I got all this. That's from Target alone. Now let's get to the Amazon stuff that I have right behind me. And you can tell my voice, I'm a little bit out of sorts, and it's because I have asthma, and among many other things, go figure. But I have to have a nebulizer and whatnot, and this is a nebulizer that I just ordered. I have the liquid for the treatments. I do have that, but I didn't have my nebulizer. I used to have one many years ago and got lost. Don't know where, how, why. So it brings a mask. Actually, I thought it bring two, but as long as it bring one, I'm good. Give me a second. I threw the box to the floor. Over here. So yeah. Oh yes, it does bring two masks. This mouthpiece is to put it directly in your mouth, breathe through your mouth. The smaller piece is to fit a child. This is the bigger one for an adult, like in my case. Will cover my face, my nose, and my mouth. And $38, not bad at all. This is where you connect the. Of course, you have to take this off to connect these right here. The good thing about this is so small and portable. You can take it with you anywhere you go. Let me see. Oh, it's charged. So yeah, it's charged. You see the light here? They didn't have it in pink. That's why I had to get purple. You put your liquid here. You pour your liquid here. You close it. Turn it on and it will start the process. Has a charger. Has a string to hold your mask on your head if you want to. And has a little baggie to put all your stuff in there. So yeah, it's supposed to hold a little bit more, but I'm just making it work. I'm just making it work, and here it is. So yeah, I mean, for those people that have to have your nebulizers and stuff, this is an option you can have and bring it with you. I think it's phenomenal. It's great. Like I said, I used to have one that you had to stay at home to do this. But with this one, if you needed to take it with you on the go, it needed treatment all of a sudden, wherever you at, if you're traveling, if you're working at work, that's a nice idea, a good idea to have it. So you can keep it with you all times. Or just keep it in your house next to the areas that you usually are in your home. In my case, I'll just keep it in the nightstand next to me. Just in case I need it. I know where it will be. No, once in a while, like I wouldn't need it in my vacation. But I didn't have it at the time. Anyhow, I'm gonna keep going with the rest of the haul. So right here, oopsie. This is a bed skirt. Excuse me. Alright guys, I'm so sorry about that. Business is business. I'm here, but the guys are still working and doing their thing, so yeah. So this is a bed skirt. At the bottom goes, you know, we put the box frame, on top of the box frame to cover the box frame in the bottom part of the bed, so you don't see what's under the bed. And this is it, and I got it in a beautiful blush. The same with my new, oh my goodness, my new bed sheets. or bed comforters. I got this because I've been having. I love my Juicy Couture comforter, the one that's right now on. But truth is that it's been a couple years since I have my Juicy, and it's already. I wash it, put it on, wash it, and put it back on. So I think I need to give a rest to my Juicy comforter and put something new. It's time to put something new here in the bed, and yeah. So I got this from Amazon. It's a comforter and blush as well, but this one, like the balance, has some ruffles. Oh my goodness. And Bedsure, thank you for joining the Bedsure family. Absolutely. And this one, as you can tell, is airtight, so I'm not gonna let it go until I'm ready to put the comforter on it. And this, what it includes here, have different. Atención, para evitar el peligro de asfixia, mantenga la bolsa de plástico alejada de los bebés. Niños, no utilice esta bolsa en cunas, camas, carritos o corrales de juego. Warning, to avoid danger of suffocation, keep this plastic bag away from babies, children. Do not use this bag on cribs, beds, carriages, or playpens. So, yes. At least this one I'll take out, or because I want to see what it includes and what not. Allegedly, it was supposed to include sheets, flat sheets, okay, the pillow shams, yes, you can, oh yeah, two of them, and this is beautiful. Very nice, very beautiful. So yeah. This is supposed to be, yeah, two of them. Yes. All right. So I'm gonna make my bed now, and I'll get back to you to show you what it has been done. Okay.
your girl Karina D, filming the outro for this video. It's being a little bit of a long and tedious one. Sorry about that, but I was trying to bring in. I went to bed last night around midnight, to be honest. I finished putting it together around 11:40, 11:45, and yeah, at that time, that was when he helped me put it in the closet. That sucker is heavy, as you can tell. It's very heavy and more sturdier than the one on the bottom. So I hope it will last me for a long time there. And yes, I put stuff in there already, like I showed you. And I hope that, well, that's try to maximize the little bit of space that I have for my purses. So thank you. This is all for now. I'm gonna show you in the next video clip for Pink Wednesday how the bedding of the came out, because it's a long video in this one. So thank you so much for the new subscribers. Thank you. Getting shorter for 400 subscribers. Thank you so much. Please help me out, and I love you guys. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye bye.